Hey guys, here's something you may not know. Spring is the peak house buying season. And it's ironic with the rainy season right now in Houston. But if you're all about to buy or sell a house this season, here's what you can expect. First, this is the time of the year when more sellers will list their homes, giving you more options for your move. Now also, more people will buy, which means more competition, especially with the interest rate fluctuating and coming down slowly. That's why the homes that do come on the market aren't going to stick around for a very long time and may get multiple offers. Now, basically, things are going to move fast. I've been saying that for a while, and it's only going to get worse, and we need to keep up. So let's connect. I can give you the advice you need to get ready and make your move happen at the right time, at the right place, with the right house. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.